Hey everybody, and welcome to our video lecture on planning your new LinkedIn profile. And the reason the word new is in parentheses in the title of today's lecture is because for some of you, you'll be creating a brand new first-time LinkedIn profile as part of this class, and for others, you'll be revising an existing LinkedIn profile as part of this class. And the contents of today's lecture should work in either of those situations. Now, in this video lecture, we'll discuss some simple but powerful questions that you should ask yourself and answer as you go into either creating your new or revising your existing LinkedIn profile. And the first question that you should ask yourself and answer is a question that, frankly, you should ask yourself and answer before you enter virtually any workplace communication task. In fact, any communication task. And that question is this: what's my goal? What am I trying to achieve with this LinkedIn profile? Am I trying to expand my personal or professional network? Am I trying to meet more people who do the kinds of things that either I already do or that I want to do? Am I trying to enhance my professional reputation? Am I trying to recruit talented candidates to my workplace, my startup, my side hustle? Am I looking for a new position? All of those goals are totally valid and acceptable for LinkedIn, as are many others. Sky's the limit. The second question that you should ask yourself and answer is this: how do LinkedIn users, folks who are already on the platform, describe the work that I do or that I want to do? And finally, you should ask yourself this question: how am I unique? What makes me stand out? Why am I different from other people in my field or profession or industry? And once you've asked and answered those three questions, you then want to craft a profile that uses keywords but differentiates you from your peers. In other words, you want to create content that is legible, that users can read and understand, make sense of, but that is nevertheless unique. And you can do this in two main ways. You can make your profile legible by using keywords, because keywords make you identifiable. They help peers and recruiters find you. On the other hand, you can demonstrate how you're unique by crafting a effective profile that makes you stand out, that shows why you're different from others in your field. Maybe it's a difference of perspective, maybe it's a difference of experience. It could be virtually anything, but nevertheless, make sure that you're identifying why you're unique and why you stand out from other folks who either do what you do or do what you want to do. And that, my friends, brings us to the end of yet another video lecture. In our third and final video lecture, we're going to combine the contents of this video lecture with the contents of our introductory video lecture on LinkedIn to discuss how you can actually craft an effective LinkedIn profile. In the meantime, many thanks, as always, for watching.